ByteDance has launched Seedream 4.0 a few days ago, and it is already at the top of both text to image generation and image editing leaderboard. However, it is not directly available on ByteDance website, unlike Nano Banana, which can be accessed via Google Gemini or image created using the OpenAI's GPT-5. Seedream 4.0 is available via APIs, and I will show you 3 easy ways to access Seedream 4.0 for free. And number 3 is what you actually need, and if you are in hurry you can skip to the number 3 because that is what you are going to use. The first option is Dreamina by CapCut, which is already a part of ByteDance. But if you go to the English version of Dreamina, then you won't find the Seedream 4.0 model there. There is Image 3.1 model available, but I guess it will be integrated very soon. But if you go to the Chinese version of Dreamina, then you will find Image 4.0 model integrated there. If you try to create an account on the Chinese version of Dreamina, then you might have to enter the Chinese phone number. The website is available in the Chinese language, however, you can easily translate the page. So you can try to create an account on the Chinese version of Dreamina and you will be able to use the Seedream 4.0 for free. And the next option is lmarena.ai. You can use this website for free even without creating an account. But if you create an account, you can save all your images. Now you have to click on this image option and from top, select direct chat and then select Seedream 4.0. There are different models available, but for this video, we are going to use Seedream 4.0. Now I will upload an image and type a prompt. Like I want different angles of this image. Now it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to edit or generate your images. Because it is completely free, that's why it is too slow. But I got the result. You see, I uploaded this image and got different angles of my image. See, I got different profiles and it looks really great. Now I have uploaded few images and asked it to create something great. And this is what I got. It did a great job, but you see the lady is holding 2 bags. Now the best option to use Seedream 4.0 for free is Lovarat.ai. The link is given in the video description, and if you sign up with the given link, you will get free credits. So try to sign up with the link given in video description and you will get free credits to use the Lovarat.ai. After the sign up, you will see the home page where you can use the Nano Banana to create branding, poster, videos and some other stuff. Now to use Seedream 4.0, you have to create a project. So go to the project option and create a new project. And then on right side, you will get a chat option. Here you have to select the model. Click on this model option. There are different models available, but we are going to use Seedream 4.0. So let's select Seedream 4.0. Now let's try to edit an image. I have uploaded my photo in the night scene and I will ask it to create a daytime scene for my photo. And once I enter, it will take some time to generate the image. Now it is thinking and executing. You see, Lovarat AI is a design agent which gives you access to a canvas where you can generate and edit your images however you want. Now you see I got a daytime photo from my nighttime scene and it looks really great. This one is the night scene and this one is the daytime scene. Now I can edit my image on the canvas however I want. I can select my image and just type the prompt and edit it whatever changes I need to make on this scene. Alright, now let's try to create something different. I have uploaded my face photo. And I want it to generate a high-end fashion photo shoot in different angles using my face as a reference. So it is thinking and then executing, and you see it has generated all the images that I requested. And I guess I look handsome. So you see all the images. It has generated all the images as I asked. This is my original photo. And these are the photos that are generated by Seedream 4.0. Now you see it has created high quality images from a single photo. These are 4K photos, not the normal quality but high quality images. Now I can download all the images and use it wherever I want, or I can use the Lovarat canvas to edit my images. If you want to create and edit images using Lovarat AI, then there is a little bit learning curve. not little bit, but you have to learn. You can select your images and ask it to make changes. Like, I want to combine these two photos. I have generated a background and I want to combine these two photos. So I will just give a prompt and it will generate the image that I requested. You see, I got the image. Not the best, but it does the job. Now you see this photo is in high quality, a 4K image. You see every details on my face. And the another image is around 36 MB, which is also a great image. The quality is quite great. So this is how you can use Seedream 4.0 for free on Lovarat AI. And did you notice that I still have 200 credits remaining even after creating multiple images? So you have to sign up with the link given in video description and you will get free credits. Alright guys, so this is how you can access Seedream 4.0 for free, and that's all for this video. Hope this helps. If you are new to this channel, then I create videos around PC, software, AI stuff and tech in general. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.